In this video, we are going to show you the 5 best tankless water heaters. Let's save your time and money. I am going to show video reviews on the 5 best tankless water heaters on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches. And I am try to list those based on price, quality and more. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest top rated product updates. Number 5. Rheem Electric Tankless Water Heater. The Rheem Electric Tankless Water Heater provides exceptional performance and compactness that's great for a range of home environments. But the feature that makes this heater stand apart from the rest? Security. This 10-fold system is specifically designed for young families, running the water and electricity lines separately to electrical issues, avoid rust, and extend the longevity of your system. Its digital thermostat is easy to adjust and provides stable water temperature for the entire house. Improve your shower vibes with these top-selling rain shower heads. Number 4. Rheem Electric Tankless Water Heater. The Rheem RTEX18 electric tankless water heater is a highly functional model, and with a mega flow rate of 4.4 GPM, it's one of the few that can adequately supply your tub with hot water. The unit itself features an LED display and digital thermostat, self-modulation for longevity, and the copper immersion dual heating elements render reliably hot water. It's easy to install and field serviceable should you encounter any issues. For more luxury bathroom products, check out today's best-selling bidets. Number 3. EcoSmart Eco 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. The EcoSmart Eco 11 electric tankless water heater is compact and easy to control, making it a suitable addition to any household. It includes a range of superb features to ensure consistent performance, including self-modulating technology and saving you 60% on water costs. The uniform energy factor rate of 0.98 makes it one of the most efficient units we've seen. The digital temperature ranges from 80 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit to suit your hot water needs and preference. Looking to up your shower game even more? Check out these top dual shower heads. Number 2. Rinnai Tankless Water Heater. If you're looking for a gas tankless water heater, the Rinnai Tankless Water Heater is a fantastic choice. It uses natural gas to produce hot, steamy water. Despite its maximum output of 120,000 BTUs, it boasts a lightweight and compact design suitable for many spaces, although outdoor installation is best. With this heater, you can get seemingly endless hot water on demand, while consuming 40% less energy than a traditional tank heater. To equip your bathroom with more excellent products, check out our selection of the best smart toilets on the market right now. Number 1. EcoSmart Eco Electric Tankless Water Heater. Ideal for regular households to ensure consistent hot water at any time, it's easy to see why we've selected the EcoSmart Eco 27 Electric Tankless Water Heater as the best tankless water heater around. It can save up to 50% in water heating costs, which is something your bank account will love. However, there's more to it than just savings. It boasts quality construction with durable, efficient copper and stainless steel components for your peace of mind. It is compact for easy installation, while the digital temperature control allows you to get it just right, no matter how cold it is outside. For more quality products for your bathroom, check out these modern smart shower heads.